I'm very much excited. You can definitely see the positivity in the atmosphere in this expo, in the Belt and Road Summit. I can say that the opening session was great because there were a lot of positive messages, especially coming from the Hong Kong government. The Hong Kong government and the Chinese government in general is very much willing to engage the world through Hong Kong, particularly focusing on its competitive advantage as a global superconnector. Having a Belt and Road Summit like this, wherein people from different industries, people from different countries, particularly Belt and Road countries, can meet and get together and just become comfortable to connect. And that's the start of a business relationship. Being able to participate on business summits, trade and investment summits, such as the Belt and Road Summit, would allow the Philippines to be shown on a different light, to show that we are also here, ready and willing to engage on trade and investments. Hong Kong is definitely the most efficient place I've ever been to. Hong Kong is here to engage in business, and that efficiency, it's the #1 indicator of business success. Personally, I'm a lawyer, so I can see that the legal and professional services here in Hong Kong is very much top-notch. I think capital would grow the most on a place where efficiency is the #1 factors. RCEP is basically an international agreement that seeks to solve the spaghetti bowl effect of having different free trade agreements with different countries such as the ASEAN. It makes sense to just make one comprehensive economic partnership agreement such as the RCEP. So I think having Hong Kong join the RCEP would provide a huge advantage for all parties involved in the RCEP. All the Hong Kong advantages that you have, it adds into the agreement. So everyone would benefit.